Did you know that enough aluminum foil is produced globally each year to cover the state of Texas twice? That's a lot of foil. It's a testament to how much we rely on this versatile material. Let's dive into the world of aluminum foil and uncover the journey it takes from the earth to your kitchen drawer. Aluminum foil is a kitchen staple. We use it to wrap leftovers, line baking sheets, and even create makeshift grills. But its uses extend far beyond our kitchens. Industries rely on aluminum foil for packaging, electronics, and construction. It's even used in cars and airplanes. The lightweight and durable nature of aluminum foil makes it incredibly versatile. While aluminum foil offers numerous benefits, its production comes at an environmental cost. Mining bauxite, the ore from which aluminum is extracted, can lead to deforestation and habitat loss. The refining process is energy-intensive, often relying on fossil fuels, and generates greenhouse gas emissions. It's crucial to acknowledge these impacts and explore sustainable practices in the aluminum industry. The journey of aluminum foil begins with bauxite, a reddish-brown rock found in tropical and subtropical regions. Large deposits are found in Australia, Guinea, and Brazil. Open-pit mining is the most common extraction method. This involves removing layers of earth and rock to access the bauxite ore beneath. It's a massive operation that requires heavy machinery and careful planning. Section 5. Alumina, refining the ore. Extracted bauxite undergoes a refining process to extract alumina, aluminum oxide. This involves crushing the ore and mixing it with chemicals like caustic soda. The mixture is then heated and filtered to remove impurities, leaving behind a white powder alumina. This is a crucial intermediate step in the production of aluminum. Section 6. The Heral process from alumina to aluminum. This process is a cornerstone in the field of metallurgy and has revolutionized the way we produce aluminum, making it more accessible and affordable for various applications. Turning alumina into aluminum metal requires a lot of electricity. In fact, the energy consumption is so high that aluminum production plants are often located near power sources such as hydroelectric dams or large power plants to ensure a steady and economical supply of electricity. This is because the process of extracting aluminum from alumina is energy intensive, involving the use of high-voltage electricity to break the chemical bonds. The Heral process, developed in the late 19th century, makes this transformation possible. Named after its inventors, Charles Martin Hall and Paul Heral, this process has stood the test of time and remains the primary method for aluminum production to this day. The innovation of Hall and Heral was to use electrolysis to separate aluminum from its oxide, alumina, which was a groundbreaking achievement in the field of chemistry and industrial manufacturing. Alumina is dissolved in a molten bath of cryolite. Cryolite, a rare mineral, acts as a solvent, lowering the melting point of alumina and making the electrolysis process more efficient. This molten bath is maintained at a temperature of around 950 degrees Celsius, creating the ideal conditions for the chemical reactions to occur. The addition of alumina to this bath is a critical step, as it prepares the mixture for the next phase of the process. A strong electric current is passed through the mixture, separating the aluminum from the oxygen. This process, known as electrolysis, involves the use of electrolytic cells where the electric current causes the aluminum ions to migrate to the cathode, while the oxygen ions move to the anode. The electric current essentially breaks the chemical bonds between aluminum and oxygen, allowing the pure aluminum to be extracted. This step is crucial, as it directly influences the purity and quality of the final aluminum product. The molten aluminum then settles at the bottom of the cell, ready for further processing. This molten aluminum is then siphoned off and cast into molds to form ingots, which can be further processed into various shapes and products. The entire process, from dissolving alumina in cryolite to extracting pure aluminum, is a marvel of modern engineering and chemistry, showcasing the ingenuity and innovation that drive the aluminum industry. The aluminum produced through the Heral process is used in a wide range of applications, from aerospace and automotive industries to everyday household items, highlighting its versatility and importance in our daily lives. Section 7. Rolling out the silver, creating thin foil. The molten aluminum is cast into large ingots, which are then heated and rolled multiple times. This rolling process gradually thins the aluminum sheet, eventually reaching the desired thickness for foil. It's a precise operation that requires sophisticated machinery and careful temperature control. Section 8. Sustainable aluminum, a global responsibility. The environmental impact of aluminum foil production is a growing concern. However, there are ongoing efforts to make the industry more sustainable. Recycling aluminum requires significantly less energy than producing it from raw bauxite. Companies are also exploring renewable energy sources to power their operations and reduce their carbon footprint. Section 9. The journey's end, from mine to your home. This is the story of how a simple piece of aluminum foil makes its way from the depths of the earth to the comfort of your kitchen. The journey of aluminum foil from a bauxite mine to your kitchen drawer is a testament to human ingenuity and engineering. It all begins with the extraction of bauxite ore, a process that requires careful planning and precision. Massive machines dig deep into the earth to unearth this valuable resource, which is then transported to processing plants. Once the bauxite ore arrives at the processing plant, it undergoes a series of complex transformations. The ore is first crushed into smaller pieces, making it easier to handle. It is then mixed with chemicals in a process known as refining, which separates the aluminum oxide from the other elements. This aluminum oxide is then subjected to high temperatures in a smelting process, where it is transformed into molten aluminum. The molten aluminum is poured into molds to create ingots, which are then cooled and transported to rolling mills. Here, the ingots are heated once again and rolled into thin sheets. These sheets are what eventually become the aluminum foil we use every day. The rolling process is meticulous, ensuring that the foil is of the right thickness and quality. After the rolling process, the aluminum sheets are cut into rolls and packaged for distribution. This final stage involves careful inspection to ensure that the foil meets all quality standards. The rolls are then shipped to stores and eventually find their way into your home. The next time you reach for a sheet of aluminum foil, take a moment to appreciate the journey it has taken. From the depths of a bauxite mine to the intricate processes in a factory, each step is a marvel of modern engineering. This simple kitchen staple is a product of countless hours of labor, innovation, and dedication. So as you use it to wrap your food or line your baking tray, remember the incredible journey it has made to be a part of your daily life. Section 10. What's next? Time for reflection. Understanding the life cycle of everyday products like aluminum foil is crucial. It allows us to make informed choices as consumers. Consider the environmental impact of your consumption habits. Can you reduce your use of aluminum foil? Are there reusable alternatives available? Section 11. Learn more about aluminum's journey. Aluminum, a versatile and essential metal, has a fascinating journey from raw material to the everyday products we use. Let's explore this journey in more detail. This essay merely scratches the surface of the aluminum foil industry. Aluminum foil, a staple in kitchens around the world, starts its life as bauxite ore. This ore is mined from the earth, primarily in tropical and subtropical regions. Once extracted, the bauxite is refined into alumina, a white, powdery substance. This alumina is then smelted using an electrolytic process to produce pure aluminum metal. The aluminum is then rolled into thin sheets to create the foil we are all familiar with. Numerous resources are available online and in libraries if you'd like to delve deeper into this fascinating topic. Websites dedicated to aluminum production and recycling offer a wealth of information, from the technical aspects of the production process to the environmental benefits of recycling. Books and academic papers provide in-depth analyses and historical perspectives on the industry. Whether you're a student, a professional in the field, or simply a curious individual, there's a wealth of knowledge waiting to be discovered. Learn more about the science, history, and environmental implications of aluminum production. Scientists are continually researching ways to make aluminum production more efficient and environmentally friendly. Historical footage and images reveal the evolution of aluminum production techniques over the years. Understanding the environmental impact of aluminum production is crucial, as it helps us make informed decisions about its use in recycling. Knowledge is power, and by understanding the impact of our choices, we can all contribute to a more sustainable future. Recycling aluminum saves energy and reduces the need for new raw materials, making it a key component of sustainable living. Community initiatives, such as tree planting and environmental cleanups, also play a vital role in promoting sustainability. By staying informed and taking action, we can all make a difference in preserving our planet for future generations.